We got any Hardy friends out here tonight? I am a big old Hardy fan myself. I think he is such an incredible songwriter, storyteller. He can write you a country song, he can write you a Christian song, he can write you a metal song. It does not matter. He can write a story. He sent me this song last year. I was in the middle of the Nashville airport, and he said, "Laney, I think I wrote the best song I've ever written." And I was like, yeah, I know us songwriters, whatever you write that day is the best thing that you've ever written. But when I listened to it, I understood what he was talking about. This song right here took me back to why I fell in love with country music to begin with. It reminded me of songs from the 90s like Whiskey Lullaby, and Thunder Rolls, and Goodbye Earl, and Fancy. This song right here is a murder ballad, and it's talking about something that a lot of people don't want to talk about, but it happens behind closed doors a lot more than we would like to admit. And if this song right here made one person feel like they were not alone, then I think we did our damn job. Thank you, Hardy, for letting me be a part of this song. We're gonna do a few choruses. Y'all sing it with me. This is called Wait in the Truck.
All that
sun. Like a redneck choir, let's go. I got a heart like a truck. It's been driving through the mud. And down from me, and on my way home. It's got a letter put down and it's leaving. Love is taking a little of a beating. A little bit of love is all that's needed. Boy, it's good as it is tough. I got a I don't know if I will ever get used to that right there.